First of all, install the extension and then pin it. Go to the extension, then connect account. Once you do that, it will ask you to sign up or log in. Once you're signed in and you're logged in, but you can see that extension, it says no extension, connect extension. If we go back to the Google, you will see that login page, even we are logged in. What we have to do is we have to go back and connect an account again, just because when we have connected the account before, we were not logged in, and due to that reason it was still locked. Now you can see the status, it shows the green bar along with the extension. That means we are connected. If we go back here and refresh, you can see everything is loading perfectly. So first and foremost, sometime you will see Google and Facebook icon, sometime only Google icon, and sometime only Facebook icon. So what does that mean is this specific website is running only Google ads, not the Facebook ads. This one is running Facebook and Google ads as well. So this is most DA. DA means like a domain authority. So if it is like 100 is the maximum limit. So it is between 0 and 100. So right now you can see 77 DA, 51 DA. So it means that this website is too old and they have built a lot more authority. It is not a new website, it is like a big brand. Then you can see the age, so the domain age. So it will help us to analyze that if it is a new brand or old brand. That way we can figure out like if something is falling into our criteria or not. Then we have the visits and the top country where this website is getting traffic from. So as of now this is just a SERP, but if you scroll down you may see the ads as well. I have just changed the query and now you can see that we have sponsored result. Along with this you will see that who is running the ad, the company. So this is coming from the Google Transparency Center. Also you can see that they are running ad on the Google, but you will see that Facebook icon as well. If you click any of them like Google or Facebook, you will get to know that which kind of ads they are running. For the Google ads, this specific website, they are running around 20,000 plus ads. So then you can filter it out. Apart from that, we have this advertiser section, the domain section. Like if this advertiser is currently promoting multiple domains, this will really help you when you are into the affiliate marketing kind of thing. So it will help a lot to understand like what they are actually doing. Apart from that, you will have the export data into the CSV and load more ads. So if you click on load all ads, it will automatically populating all the ads. Like this one is running around 20,000 ads. So this was the part on the Google side. But if we go to the Meta ads library, you will see totally different thing. Okay, so on Meta you will see those kind of metrics, like again domain authority, then the age, visits or the traffic, and the top country along with the likes. But let me scroll down, and if I can show you more, if they are running some sort of ads in the European countries, like you can see the EU transparency, you will have this button like check spend, and once you click on that thing you will see like the reach, the spend, and also the targeted countries. So by doing that you have a lot more flexibility, like to see if they are spending good amount in the European country, then which countries they are targeting. So that will help help you when you're running an e-commerce brand in the European country. You can have a lot more data to to create your own strategy like your competitors, like your successful competitors. Apart from that, we have more options here. Since we are right now on that specific brand, but if we move to like shop now, right now I have selected the USA with all ads, and query is shop now, and active ads and impression date is like before 22 June. Again, you can see everything, but I just want to mention one thing, like you don't have to click on the check spend every single time. You just go back to the extension, you have to open the options, and there is check spend automatically. You have to click here, save the settings. Once save, go back to your ads library and refresh the ads library page. Now it will automatically check the ad spend as well. Since we have uh, selected the USA, you can see like there are a lot of ads that are being ran in the USA, as well as like this one is running in the France as well along with the USA. This one is in the Poland. Then we have like you can see those specific categories. We can hide those ads. We have more flexibility here, like I just want shop now and order now. I can change the minimum number of ads they are running. Like you can see here, like if a specific creative is being ran multiple times, you will see like this ad is running 2 times or 3 times or 10 times, so you can filter that out too. So once you click on the hide categories, we have the EU transparency. Either we can select the enable or disable. If I just want to hide the EU countries, so I just specifically want to see the ads that are being ran in the USA. So I can do that as well. If I am in the EU market, I can just enable it, and I can filter it out by the reach. Like if the specific ads have that much reach, that means the owner is spending more on those ads, and I have an edge to read that data and then create my own uh, campaign similar to my competitor. Then we have traffic data, like the specific traffic data or likes. For example, there are a lot of brands here. I just want to find the specific, what we can say, specific new brands or new dropshipping stores. I can just filter it out by like less than or equal to 5,000. Only likes with a less than and yeah, less than 5,000 likes. Then we have filter for the Shopify store. You can see we have the Shopify store as well. I will click on that, apply filters, and now we are going to have very clean data. Once you're on that stage where it says show more, you just have to click scroll, auto scroll, and it will populate everything. We have a very strict criteria right now, so if we can simply put a little less filters, that would work fine. Even we have something which is falling in our criteria as well, but most of them are like we have to give a little space here, I think. Okay, so if I just stop scroll, you can see 5,000, 8,000, just because I have updated the filters. So we have very new brands that are running the ads here. There are a lot of things that are missing here, but now we are going to the magic part of the ad library, which is a custom ads library, which is way more powerful than this Facebook ads library. So let's jump into it. First of all, you have to like USA and whatever you want to apply here, you can do that. So if after that, once you have put all the filters and all the queries you just want to search for. You just have to refresh the page. Once you do that, we will notice here it says that ready 4 minutes ago. So let me show you what this means. Once your ads library is loaded, you just have to scroll one time and it will say ready just now. That means now it has saved all the filters like the USA, shop now, active ads and the date. You have to click on the open spy library. Once you do that, make sure your extension is connected. You just have to wait. You can see our query was shop now, country was USA and everything. From here, you again have the call to actions like shop now and order now. Then you have the domain metrics like the domain authority, age, traffic, everything. But from here, now you can have the page categories. As soon as you will load more and more ads, it will work just like the normal ads library with the real-time data, but a lot more filters. You will have a lot of page categories. For example, if I just want to target the clothing brands, so all I have to do is I will select those specific categories that I will be looking for: the clothing, health and beauty, home and garden, and jewelry and watches. That's it. Then we have the like filter. Like filter, it is for the number of page likes, the one we were doing there. And then we have the Shopify and the number of products. We don't have the number of products there, but we have it here. Then the hide categories that will hide the special ads. Then we also have the Google ads here, like if this specific brand is running Google ads or not. You can also see if the Shopify, if it is a Shopify store, it will also show that number of products as well. So you can filter a lot here. Apart from that, we have the EU market filters, same as we have discussed before, but the main thing here is this part. You can just select match all or match any, and you can have a lot more flexibilities. For example, I just want to say that primary text must contain. If I am in the jewelry brand, maybe people are not using the word jewelry in their ad copies, but they will be using earring, necklace, pendant, cuffs, those kind of keywords. So what I will do is I will say match any in the primary text. I will put necklace, string, and everything. So what this will do is it will automatically scan every primary text, or if you are setting the headline or the description, it will automatically scan everything and only show those specific ads that falls into your criteria. Apart from that, if you just scroll to the Facebook ads library, it will start crashing in no time. But from here, things are a lot easier, and this page will remain lightweight, not as heavy as the Facebook ads library. So let's do some filtration here. For example, shop now, order now, that means we are just getting rid of every single thing. Now you can see that shop now and order now, but we still have that use app and learn more, just because we did not apply any filter yet. After that, I will be looking for the likes less than 10,000. So we have Google. I will just select all, like they are running, whether they are running Google ads or not. We'll keep it. We don't want the EU countries right now. But if we are in the EU market, this filter will say a lot of time, a lot of time. Like you can filter it by reach, so that way you will only see those ads that are being ran for a certain period of time and they have spent a good amount of money, so that way you will find winners as well. So once you do that, let's try with those few filters. Okay, I have mistakenly select the EU country only, so I have to update the filters again. I don't want the EU countries. Okay, so we have to click on auto scroll, so it will automatically load more and more ads. You can see only 1.6 like 19 products. Domain age is 2 year, but we can see that how they are doing. Uh, 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 uh. Then we have the reset filter, and it will reset everything, whatever you have here. So you can have all the data. Apart from that, in the settings, you may see this thing. It says hide filter card CSS and remove. So for example, if you select the remove filter cards, what this does is when you will apply any filter, it will remove all those cards that does not fall into the specific criteria. Furthermore, we have this, uh, let's see, you can see this all ads from this page. It will show all the ads that brand is running. For example, this brand is running 22 ads right now. I think some of them are inactive, so you can filter with the inactive or active ads. So if I go to the active ads, and what we have to do is with the active ad, they have 7. But if I want to see that what they're running, for example, if they're running 70 ads or 100 ads, how do I know like for which product they are running more ads, or where their most we can say budget is going? You have, when you're on the page level or brand level ads, you will see only populate ads button, and what you have to do is scroll down and load all the ads and then populate all the ads. Once done, you will see that it will scan everything. It says that they have scanned all the cards, like there are 7 cards, so 2 ads are going for that specific product, like they are promoting this product and then they are promoting other products. That way you will see if they are running most ad on the collection page or on a specific product, or on the home page. That way you will get to know that this niche, for this niche I have to run ads on that collection, or the specific product, or a home page. For example, if you are in the clothing niche, you may have to run ads for the collection page, but you have to see that you on which collection your competitor is running ads, like how they are doing. If they are mixing all the products into the one collection, if they have categorized them very well and running ad on the specific collection with a specific set of products, so that way you can easily see that how they are doing, and how their strategy is being done for their paid advertising, no matter if it is Google or if it is Meta site. Also, I forgot to mention when we were here, if we go to the shopping tab, you will see all the, for example, let's see, you will see all the cards. Once you will click on any of the card, they will let's see, a generic one like without the person. If I just go here, let's see, you have to scroll down, and then you will also start seeing those like which which other stores are selling that specific t-shirt. So in my case, there are a lot of other stores that are selling the same shirt, and you can see they are running Google ads as well as Facebook ads. Here you can see only Google ads, but you can see more data like the age of the domain, the authority, and a lot more. So it is up to you, like how you are going to use that specific tool for your purpose. Since there are many use cases, and you can have your own use case and utilize this tool as much as you can. This will help you to get your work done very easily. Thank you so much. Bye.